and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Karen. So today I thought I would make for you one of our favorite easy quick salads. It's a curried turkey salad and it has apples, celery, onions. Now quite a few people have been asking me if I could make some lower carb options. I tend to cook a lot with carbs, so I'm really going to try to focus on some recipes that are more low carb, keto friendly. Plus, this is really good. And I don't know about you, but I know I need to start eating a little bit more low carb right now. I've just been overdoing it on the cookies and cakes from Christmas. So I'm ready to get back on track. How about you? So let's get cooking. We're gonna need some roasted turkey breast, some celery, some green onions, an apple, an avocado, a lemon, some curry powder, garlic salt, some slivered or sliced almonds, some cranberries, and some mayonnaise. The first thing we want to do is toast our almonds. Now you're going to need about half a cup. Now we're just going to toast them in a dry skillet over medium heat, and you're just going to stir them around for 3 to 4 minutes until they start to get light golden brown. Okay guys, now look at this. I've been stirring this for 3 to 4 minutes, and you can see they're starting to get brown. Now this is the point where you have to be really careful, because once you start really smelling it and they just start turning toasty brown, take it off the heat. So this is how we want them to look. And now I'm going to dice half of a large apple, or if you have a medium apple, you can use the whole thing. Now you want it in fairly small pieces. And now we're going to add our diced apples to the bowl. And now we're going to take one large green onion and chop it. And now add this to your bowl. One large stalk of celery, finely chopped. And now we're going to need approximately 8 ounces of cubed turkey. And now place this in the bowl. Now this next ingredient is totally optional. It's dried cranberries. Now it's not a low carb or keto friendly food, so you can totally leave it out if you like. I'm just going to add a small handful, about like that. And now we'll work on the dressing. To start, we're going to use the juice of half a lemon and about 1 cup of mayonnaise. Now we might need a little bit more once we get it mixed up. We're just going to kind of guesstimate on it. The next thing I'm going to add is curry powder. If you don't like curry powder, you can completely leave it out, but we like it. Just add as much as you like. I'm probably going to add about a teaspoon. And then I'm going to add a dash of garlic salt. Give that a stir. Now normally I would add a little sugar to this, but because we're keeping it low carb, I'm going to use monkfruit sweetener, or you can use any sugar replacement that you have. I'm going to use about a teaspoon. Now add the dressing to the salad. Add a few turns of some black pepper. I think the 1 cup of mayonnaise was the perfect amount. Now also you have to remember that this is going to soak up the mayonnaise too if it looks a little wet right now. Once it sits in the fridge for a couple hours, it's going to be perfect. And this looks good, so now I'm going to chill it for a couple hours. Let's put it in the fridge. Now, because we're trying to keep this low carb, we're gonna serve this inside an avocado. And here we have it, guys. Now feel free to use this filling inside of a tortilla to make a wrap. I know they make low carb ones, or you can just make it into a sandwich. So you know what time it is, time to try a bite. It is so good, you guys. I love curry. I don't know about you, but I think it really enhances the mayonnaise, and you get the little sweetness from the apple and the cranberry, and you get the crunch from the celery. It's a really good salad. And also, if you don't have turkey, feel free to substitute chicken. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you all give this a like, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? We'll see you on the next episode. Bye, everybody.